What's happening, guys? Coming at you from downforsoundshop.com. We're going to be going over some awesome budget-friendly Machete car audio products. But before that, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button really quick, and also hit that little bell so you get notifications every time I upload a video, and you can be here first getting all this information that I'm going to be dropping in the time to come. Alright, without further ado, let's jump right into this. Machete is a brand under the Alfred Audio parent company. They have Deaf Bonce, Apocalypse, they have Avatar, and a bunch of other brands, but this is one of theirs that they came out with to be more budget friendly. So Machete, starting off with some tweeters. This is going to be some of their super tweeters right here. The Machete MT-102, 30 watts RMS power, so it doesn't take them much to get loud. The SPO or the dB on these is 105, so very efficient, very loud. Price point, $34 for a pair of these, so very budget friendly on the Machete MT-102 tweeters. Be sure to check those out. And coming up next, we have some MPT-17Ns. I actually thought the pricing was wrong on these because they're so inexpensive. $24.99 for the set of these. These are going to be nice if you have a shallow mounting place. They also come with your base blockers and screws to mount them down with, and also some cups if you want to do different angles on the mounting of them. So again, $24.99 for the pair of these. Let's see, the RMS power is 25 watts and they're 4 ohm, 2.2 inches across, but very budget friendly. 25 bucks, 25 watts. You could actually run these off of your head unit, so very good option there if you're trying to get into a set of tweeters for 25 bucks. Moving on next to the mid-range speakers from Machete, we have the MM80s, 4 ohm, and they are 150 watts RMS. Nice basket, nice size motor on here. The pair of these is going to run you 139 bucks. So a pair of nice Machete 8s, 139 bucks, 150 watts RMS. Very nice. Moving on to a nice little 2-channel from Machete. This is going to be one of their macro or micro amplifiers. You can see it's about the size of my hand, very small. So on this one we're going to have, it's going to be 70 by 2 at 4 ohm and 90 by 2 at 2 ohm. The price is very budget friendly, 129 bucks for this. So if you're needing something to power some tweeters or some very efficient mids on a motorcycle or something, this would be a great option for you. Small footprint and 129 bucks. You're not going to beat that. Check that one out on the website. Moving on to Machete monoblocks from their lineup is going to be the MA-2100. It's going to come with a bass knob, and again, no frills on these. This is their budget friendly line. You can see the regular style RCAs and nothing too crazy down here on the crossover end. We do have 0 gauge inputs and 8 gauge speaker wire outputs. This is going to be running you 299 bucks. Very good deal for a budget friendly 2000 watt amplifier, which would be great to power some of the new Machete fights that just came out. These are some really nice subs. Going to be 750 watts, somewhere around 700 to 800 watts RMS. This is a dual 4. They come in dual 2s and dual 4s. This is going to run you, they're 144 each, so very budget friendly on these subwoofers. Stamped steel basket, so nothing crazy here. Decent push terminals, and actually a pretty decent sized magnet for 144 bucks. I can't believe that price point that they came in on this one. So it's going to be 1600 watts max. Again, this is a dual 4. They come in dual 2s or dual 4s. You could run 2 of these subs and one of the Machete 2100 watt amps. It would be a great budget friendly option for you. Also like how they have the green spider in there. It's not too often that you see a green spider on a subwoofer, so that's pretty cool. Matches the Deaf Bonce green scheme that they have going on. But anyway, so be sure to check out Machete on downforsoundshop.com for another great budget friendly option. We're bringing a ton of budget friendly options to you guys at Down for Sound, so be sure to check them out on the website. Click on the link in the description below and it'll take you right there. We'll see you in the next video. Later. Guys, if you want to see more of the hot content that you just saw in that video, be sure to follow me on all my social media channels from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. The Life of Price is my handle on there. Also have Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat is JP D4S. Check out all the hot content on there as well.